Welcome to Steps in Disassembling Personal Computers. Step 1. Unplugging. Step 2. Outer shell or casing. Step 3. Discharge static electricity. Step 4. Disconnect internal cords and power supply. Step 5. Remove memory chips. Step 6. Remove expansion cords. And Step 7. Remove motherboard.
Step 8. Remove heatsink and fan. And last step, remove processor.
Important to unplug the cords to make sure that you don't get electrocuted.
Step 1. Unplug all wires that is connected behind the CPU. Step 2. Remove side panel.
In this case, because we don't have side panels, we can move on to the next step.
Step 3. Discharge static electricity. You can use anti-static wrist strap to avoid static. Step 4. Remove internal cords and power cords. Step 5. Remove memory module. Step 6. Remove expansion cards.
And because we don't have any expansion cords, let's hop on to the next step.
Step 7. Remove motherboard. Step 7. Remove motherboard. Remove all screws by using screwdriver. Last step, remove processor from the motherboard.
Uy, introduce na!
Hi, and welcome to Assembling Your Own Personal Computers with me, your host, myself, and I, Christopher Jude Doctoso, and my friend,